There's something about getting your fingers itchy that just makes you want to plant and play in the dirt. What have we got ready going today? We're planting yellow Spanish onions. Look at those beautiful garlic coming up. More to plant with those today. We're going to be planting kohlrabi, Copenhagen market cabbage. I forgot the name of that one. And cabbage tropic giant hybrid. All these are going today. And if you only had smell-o-vision, this mint is divine. Getting spring fever, y'all. It's gonna be 60 today and probably 20 next week. But I'm gonna have plants started and more coming next week. If you want to hear tips and hints from someone that lives in a basically a zone 6B 7A area, I live in Virginia. My last frost date is, I believe, the end of April or first part of May. So you can go by those dates, count backwards, and you can be growing and starting your plants too. But keep up with me. I will be showing you and sharing with my garden what I'm growing, how much I'm growing, what I feed it with, and plant lights. Once I put them up later today, I'll be keeping you updated on all that great stuff. And y'all can follow along with me here, or you can also find me on YouTube on Just Living Life, the YouTube channel, and come by and see us there. Hope y'all enjoy, and more to come. Y'all get growing. Oh, and one more thing. Tons of these red and yellow onions are gonna be getting planted today too. Onions galore, garlic galore, cabbage, and oh, so much more. See y'all soon.